Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Dinah. Today I'm going to be doing a video that is super highly requested. I didn't really think to film this video because there are so many other videos like on YouTube about this, but I had gotten asked so much, so I was just like, obviously my girls want to see the way I do it. I am super grateful and blessed that you guys look to me, even though I'm still learning a whole bunch of shit myself, but I'm gonna teach you guys what I know. First and foremost, I wanna say thank you very much to Lily Lashes for sending me all these goodies. This is my first time trying Lily Lashes out, so I was super excited. I am just super blessed. So thank you so much to Lily Lashes. As usual, I don't want to keep you guys waiting, but if you haven't already subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram, you really should do it because it really helps your girl out, and I would just be forever grateful to you guys if you just took your time out to do that real quick. Let's get right into the video, okay? Bye.
Now that I am sober, I take back what I said. I'm sitting with this love hangover. Boy, it's hurting my head. It's the middle of October, and we just came to an end.
Alright guys, so I already went ahead and applied one side just to save us some time, just so that we're not there like, oh my god, get to the freaking point. I want to do this step by step as thoroughly as I can and run through it quickly. What I'm going to be using is a pair of lash scissors. These are by Lily Lashes. These are the Fabulash scissors and the Fabulash tweezers. If you guys have never heard of lash tweezers, you guys are probably like, why can't I just use eyebrow tweezers? What's the difference, right? I was using eyebrow tweezers for a very long time, and let me tell you guys, my lashes were never as close to the lash line as possible up until I started using the actual lash tweezers. So I have a few of these in my house in different colors. I highly recommend that you get you a pair of these if you are starting to use lashes. This will make your life a lot easier. Lash glue, these are from Lily Lashes as well, but if you are looking for more of a drugstore brand, I highly recommend, I'm gonna go ahead and put the picture right here, I highly recommend the Lash Couture lash glue from Kiss. You can find it at CVS. I believe you can find it at Walgreens as well, and it is super affordable and it is so awesome, guys. Like, I just put you onto something, trust me. We are going to take the lash. Now you want to be really careful whenever you're taking it out of the packaging, because I've literally had those cases where I bought a pair of lashes and they broke as soon as I took them out of the packaging, which was really sucky, but it happens. We are going to measure the lash onto our eye. For me, I do have a little bit that I may need to cut off, just a little bit. My eye shapes are kind of different. This one's a little bit more round than this one, so I kind of got to work around it. Now, you never want to cut the lash from the front. You always want to cut it from the back, because if you cut it from the front, you screwed yourself. You played yourself. You was dumb. No, I'm just kidding. I just cut about that much off. Very little. I'm going to take my lash glue. Now I'm going to be generous with this because you never really need a lot if you have a really good lash glue. Now I don't know if this is a good lash glue because this is my first time using it. Did put a little generous amount on the other eyelash, and it stuck on fairly well. This is a clear lash glue. The Lash Couture one is black, but it is awesome. Black or not, it really makes no difference. If you are putting it as close to the lash line as possible, you won't ever see the black glue. I'm just gonna place this on my lash rack because you want to wait, which is so cute. Look how cute. I didn't even know there was such thing as lash racks, which is so funny because I usually just put my lashes like on their case to like wait for them to get tacky. The reason why you want to wait for them to get tacky, most people, what they'll do is they'll take the lash out of the packaging, put the glue on it, and then just stick it on their eye, and they're just like, oh my god, it's not working. Why is it not sticking on? My eye's burning now. Y'all gotta wait until that shit get tacky. And what I mean by tacky, I mean is sticky, so that it can actually form that adhesive so it can stick onto your eye, okay? As soon as you put on that lash, girl, that don't mean it's sticky. It's not. You gotta wait. I like to wait as long as possible. Not too long, otherwise it just won't stick, okay? So I just wait, you know, whenever I just you know, I just kind of find something else to do. I'll finish my lips, or I'll put on some highlight, you know, while I wait for the lashes to get tacky before I put them on. I don't know who that is. Leave me a message after the beep. Beep. A good way to tell if the lash is tacky enough is if the clear glue isn't blue anymore. Don't mind my makeup, y'all. I tried a new foundation today and it was such trash. I tried the Huda Beauty faux filter, and I don't know if the way I put it on was trash, like the way I applied it was trash, because I usually like to apply with my beauty blender. I'm going to have my lash tweezers ready. I'm going to clamp the middle of the strip lash, and I'm going to apply it to the middle of my eye. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I just applied it directly in the center of my lashes. Now, this is only really gonna work if you waited for it to get tacky. So I like to pinch it at the center and then pinch it at the end of my eye. And then I like to take my lash tweezers and push the front of my lash inward. It's a little bit harder to get that beginning part of your lash. So you should really be able to feel that those lashes are on there, boy. Ooh, this lash glue is really good. What I like about the lash tweezers is you can really press them into your natural lashes and really press them into your lash line. So I know a lot of you guys are going to be telling me, like, you make it look so easy. Trust me, with a lot of patience and a lot of practice, you will get it down. I promise you. Start small and work your way to a little bit more dramatic as you go on. I highly recommend the Ardell Demi Wispies for you to try out first. Try out their wispy line and then jump right into the double ups, the Ardell double ups. I really appreciate you guys taking your time out to watch this video. If it did help you out, please let me know down below. I would love to know if it helped you out. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know down below. And that's about it, guys. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.
I thought we'd be together. Oh, it ended so fast. Now that I am sober, I take back